Hello students, welcome to the class. So today we are going to see the basic concepts of accounting. We will see the very first step from where accounting starts. Okay, so it is for all the beginners who are planning to learn accounts or who are planning to take commerce in class 11th. So see, here are the three basic rules or the three principles according to which the whole accounting concepts works. Okay, so that it is also known as three golden rules of accounting. So in this we will learn three rules which is applicable universally all over the transactions which we record in the accounting. Okay, so basically let's see them one by one. The first and the foremost rule is the rule of real account. Okay, so in this rule we deal with all the things which are visible to us from our eyes, or we can say it all the real things which we can see, which we can touch, which we can feel, which we purchase or which we sell. Okay, so that is what is real account. So in accounting terms they are basically termed as your asset. See, for example, if I am in a classroom, then board is a real thing, so board can be my asset. Desk benches are real, so they will be dealt with real account. Okay, so like this, your house, your factory, your car, your machinery, all these are real things, so that will be dealt under real account. Okay, so let's see the rule of real account. The rule of real account says debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Yes, debit all the things which comes in the business for which we are maintaining the accounts, and credit all the things which goes out of the business. Okay, they can be anything, any asset or any real thing which are visible to us from our eyes. Okay, now moving forward, the second golden rule of accounting is the rule of personal account. Okay, so as the name suggests, in personal account we deal with persons. Okay, or to be exact, I will also add one thing in this, we deal with person and artificial persons. Now what is an artificial person? That will be seen in the future videos. So the rule of personal account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Okay, the receiver who receives anything will be debited and the giver who gives anything will be credited. Okay, so this was personal account. Now moving towards nominal account, we saw the real account which deals with real things which are visible to us. We saw the personal account which deals with person or artificial persons. Now in nominal account there will be no real things, there will be no persons, तो फिर बचा क्या? See, actually nominal account deals with those things which are present in the business, which are present but they are not person, which are present but they are not real things, which means which cannot be seen or touched or felt. Okay, see, for example, you can see a board, you can see the desk and benches, but you cannot see the profits, you cannot see your expenses, you can just feel them. मैंने खर्चा किया, वो खर्चा हो रहा है, मुझे पता हो रहा है ना, पर वो खर्चा कैसे हो रहा है मुझे दिख थोड़ी रहा है. That is what is invisible. Okay, so the rule for the nominal account is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Right, expense or loss होता है मगर दिखता नहीं, that is why it comes under nominal account. Similarly income and gain भी होता है मगर दिखता नहीं, so that is also termed as nominal things. Okay, so basically we categorized in three parts. The first one is real account, जहाँ पे हर चीज़ें जो हमें दिख रही हैं, जिन्हें हम महसूस कर सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, सारे सामान आ गए. ओके, द सेकंड वन इज़ पर्सनल अकाउंट विच डील्स विद पर्सन, जो हमें दिख रहे हैं, पर्सन है, और आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन. आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन का मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, कोई भी कंपनी, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ एन आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन. ओके, नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, द नॉमिनल अकाउंट. नॉमिनल अकाउंट मतलब ना वो दिख रही हैं, ना हम उसे छू सकते हैं, ना वो कोई इंसान या पर्सन है, पर वो कहीं ना कहीं अपनी मौजूदगी हमें ज़रूर फील कराती हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ एक्सपेंस और लॉस और इनकम और प्रॉफिट्स और गेन. ओके, सो दीज वेयर द 3 गोल्डन रूल्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. हम इन 3 रूल को ही यूज़ करके पूरा अकाउंट्स बना सकते हैं. ईच एंड एवरी बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन विच वी डू इन अकाउंटिंग comes to the ultimately comes to the golden rules. Okay, so the ultimate conclusion is the golden rule. I hope this was clear. This will be helpful for you in understanding the accounting for further. Kindly like and comment in the video if you like my work. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.